Hello and welcome to Digital Guide 103, and today I'll be guiding you through how to change the colour of text and change fonts on your Wix website. If you find this information useful, please consider subscribing and hitting that like button below. To start off, you will need to be on your Wix website editor page. There are a few ways we can do this, and the first one is to click on the Site Design tool on the left-hand side. This will come up with a bunch of different options, and we are going to choose Text Theme. From here, you can choose where you want to change the font on your website. We will choose the heading font and change it to American Typewriter. And then down the bottom, we will press Change Text Theme. As you can see, the text has now changed. Another way you can change the font is by clicking on the text itself and clicking on Edit Text. From here, you can choose the font you want it to be. And we will choose Anton, and as you can see, the font has been changed. Now, staying on this editor tool, you can click on the capital A with the water droplet image. This is where we can change the colour of the font. You can either choose from the theme colours of your website or choose a new colour by pressing Add, and you can now choose the colour you want the font to be and then press Apply, and there you have it. That is how you change fonts and colour of text on your Wix website. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you found this information useful.